In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use open invoice and collection reports in QuickBooks. To get started, head over to the Reports menu in QuickBooks. This is where you'll find a wide range of built-in reports that help you track your business activity, including unpaid customer balances and collections-related details. Once you're in the Reports section, use the search field if available, or browse the standard report list to find either the Open Invoices report or the Collection report. Both of these reports are useful when you want a clear view of outstanding payments, but the one you choose may depend on whether you want a simple invoice list or more collection-focused information. After selecting the report, take a moment to review the initial layout on the screen. QuickBooks will usually display a default version first, which can already give you a helpful snapshot of unpaid invoices. If you want to make the report more useful for your workflow, you can optionally click Customize. This is a great way to tailor the information so it's easier to read and more relevant to what you need. Inside the customization options, you can add columns such as due date, aging, or customer email. Adding the due date column helps you quickly see when each invoice is expected to be paid. The aging column is especially helpful if you're trying to identify overdue balances and understand how long they've been outstanding. If your version of QuickBooks includes a customer email field, adding that can make it easier to prepare for follow-up communication outside the report. Customizing these columns can save time, especially if you review receivables regularly or use the report during collection efforts. Once you've made any changes, click Run Report to refresh the data and apply your selections. If you're using QuickBooks Desktop, you may see OK instead, so click that to update the report. This final step ensures that the report reflects the settings you just selected and shows the most useful version of the data. At that point, your open invoices or collection report is ready to review. You can use it to monitor unpaid balances, check which invoices are overdue, and stay organized when managing customer payments. If you use these reports consistently, they can become a simple but powerful part of your accounts receivable process. And that's how to use open invoice and collection reports in QuickBooks.